So far this year there's been several YZ65 Cup events, some at the Amex Nationals and a couple here at the Supercross Series. You know, you never know what's going to happen here. We certainly know that these guys are having certainly a great time, and Yamaha's putting a great infrastructure and environment around them. And you never know, some of these kids might one day be the next CDR superstar.
This weekend has been absolutely fantastic. We've got 6 females participating in the YZ65 Cup. The girls are absolutely loving it. All the kids have thoroughly enjoyed it so far. The bikes have been amazing to watch.
Yamaha's going above and beyond with these kids, helping them development and just treating them like little pros for the time that we're here. Yeah, you couldn't ask for anything more. What do you reckon, Crewy?
It's awesome.
It's awesome, yeah. It really is unreal, and you can't praise Yamaha enough and the crew, all the guys here, from the mechanics, the food, everything that they're putting on. It's unreal, and we're really appreciative of it. And yeah, feel pretty blessed right now.
Getting to see Dean Ferris and the others ride and being able to ride at the Nationals. I love walking around the pits and getting signatures, and yeah, I love the big truck and all the big stuff.
Getting to ride the 65 on the big track in front of all the pros.
Probably to like ride at the Nationals, like a big event with all the big people, and yeah, it's just cool. Riding in front of the biggest crowd of my life. I've never rode in a big crowd like what today's going to be.
It's awesome that we have the 65 Cup. I think is really good I kind of wish that we had it when we were younger, you know. It's cool to see these guys sort of start Supercross early, you know. That's been a big problem for us in Australia, so it's good to see them, you know, out on the track and doing what we do pretty much, and you know, they can start at that age and grow to be yeah, awesome little athletes.
What I really like about all this stuff is the experience that we get. It's all planned out, very nice, and it's all organised.
I never thought my son would get an experience like this. It's an opportunity for a lifetime. Riding under stadium at night, riding under lights, big crowd, just an awesome atmosphere, mate. You can't beat it.